Hi everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we're going to be unboxing the Paletteful Premier Pack for August 2020. So let's start talking about everything that came inside. The first couple times I got this box, I didn't get the pamphlets that talk about everything that came inside and includes the Premier Pack prompt and some tips and techniques. It is nice that I seem to be consistently getting these now. This month we got a heck of a lot of markers. The first things are some Marabou sketch markers, and they are the Heat and Alpha robot sets. These sets are normally $17.99 each. Express your creative ideas in vibrant, luscious colors. Create your favorite illustrations, cartooning, anime, and fine art projects on a wide variety of surfaces. Add these markers to your alcohol ink collection for more creative possibilities. Use them to draw crisp lines, fill in sharp solids, create color gradations, and add depth to drawings with shading and shadowing techniques. This is going to be my first time using these specific alcohol-based markers. I have used some Marabou water-based markers before. Those worked really well and blended very nicely. These ones seem like they might take a little bit more effort to blend them out. The colors in the Heat set are fairly vibrant, and it looks like if you can get them to blend, you might be able to mix them for a good variety of colors. The Alpha Robot set has a nice variety of different tones of gray. And what I mean by that is that there are some nice cooler blue-based grays, some more neutral ones, and then a couple of warmer browner-based ones in there as well. These markers are all dual-tipped, and there is a smaller bullet nib, and the other side is a large chisel nib. There are not any brush nibs on these guys. The grays did seem to blend a little bit more easily than the other colors did, but the other colors are very different from each other, and these, even though they're different tones, they're still grays, so they're easier to kind of get to work it out. I'm a bit surprised at the couple of times that I've gotten markers through Paletteful Packs, especially the ones that don't blend as well, that they don't send a blender with it. I had a similar issue with the Sakura Koi markers that came a couple of months back. The next item we have is a Faber-Castell Pit Pen in gold. The retail price for this is normally $5.05. This metallic gold pen is odorless, permanent, and water resistant. It will not bleed through paper. The pigmented India ink is light-fast, acid-free, and pH neutral. No need to pump, prime, or shake. The pen works beautifully on all types of paper. High opacity, even on dark paper. This is a pretty gold. It doesn't seem super liquidy, and it looks nice so far. Next we have another Faber-Castell Pit Pen. This one is in white though. The retail price on this guy is normally $3.70. This white pen is odorless, permanent, and waterproof. It will not bleed through paper. The white pigmented India ink is perfectly opaque, light-fast, acid-free, and pH neutral. The pen is used by artists worldwide for illustrations, fashion design, life drawings, portraits, sequential art, and canvas paintings. They work beautifully on all types of papers and canvas, permanent on porous surfaces. Store horizontally when not in use. I already have one of these. It is running low. I do like it. It's not quite as opaque as they say it is. You can still usually see the color underneath through it. Like with most boxes that focus around markers, we did get a couple of black liners. They're specifically some Art Alternatives Pigment liners, and there are two of them. One is in 0.3, one is in 0.5, and they are normally $1.99 each retail price. The Art Alternatives Pigment Liner pens are ideal for illustration, graphic and technical drawings, sketching, and lettering. The durable nibs produce fine lines, making them great for detail work. The pens contain acid-free, archival quality, water-based pigment ink that is water and fade resistant when dry. I've never used anything from the Art Alternatives brand before these. They seem okay. They seem just like any other black liner out there. The last item we got in this month's box is the paper I've been using for all of these swatches. It is Seth Cole Bristle Plate Finish 9x12 paper, and it is a pad of it, and is normally $9.60 retail price. The paper is 2-ply artist drawing board with a plate, which means smooth finish. The surface is designed for pen, pencil, and markers. For the swatches, everything did apply to it fairly smoothly, and I didn't have any bleed through on the back. So far, my impressions of this month's box are a little confused by it. I'm not super excited about it. The markers remind me a lot of the ones we got in the one a couple months ago, the Sakura Koi ones, where they just didn't blend well, and it was a battle uphill to be able to kind of figure out how to use them. Hopefully it won't be the same experience with the Marabou ones, but we'll see. I do really like the gold Faber-Castell Pit Pen, and I do like the white one as well because I've used that before. The paper seems nice, and the pigment liners seem pretty good too. I'll just have to play around with everything and see if I can make it work for me. That's all I can do. But with that, this unboxing and all of these swatches are done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, or concerns, or you've used any of the items in this month's box and you have any personal tips of how to make them work, let me know all about it in my comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, I do Paletteful Packs unboxings and projects once a month, so please feel free to subscribe. As always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video and listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you will definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!